They told me stop buying out these fancy cars. They told me take all your diamonds off. Get you rich to fly commercial flights. They wanna know me if I show that. I know that bitch want me to go for that. To put my dick in that. Way back I gave up that. You know what's staying.
CEO, I keep it cordial with an artist. I just don't politic. These women been giving me compliments. Focus, I can't acknowledge this. Gotta get transformed overnight. Getting rid of my rights. Gotta paint it none of them lights. Man to the game, we doing alright. Quick switch with the white G. Too much shit, got too much pain. Think about it, I was looking at life. Damn, this nigga don't just rap. I'm out there, nigga can't do that. I mean, remote. I got a butt, I'm about to float. I'm organized, organized to the fucking hustle like a parking lot. Take off the shirt, check out the work. Buy the scribble like a marker line. Lay down low with no vest in the foot. Buying dogs, I'm investing in bullets. I came from there, I'm perfecting my chip. Down the teeth, gotta watch for the bullets. Got a chef, vegetarian cooking.